Hope all of you are doing really well. Just a quick FYI. Today I am shooting this entire video with my camera for the very first time and the footage didn't came out really well as I wanted. This is Sony Alpha 3000 which my father bought some 6 years back, but I am still a noob in handling this. I know, my bad. But I have put my heart in the post-processing, so hope you will enjoy this video. So this is Shreya and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be a little bit fun as I have someone with to share the screen with. But first thing first, today's video is about restyling your old clothes. In this period where someone like me who has all the time of the earth was doing up my cupboard and found out a lot of old clothes. Old in the sense is that I have bought them a long time back and haven't wear them much. Primarily because I didn't knew then how to style them properly, that particular cloth, or secondly and most importantly is that I have put a lot of a hell lot of weight in the recent 1 to 2 years because of PCOD. But it's not that I fit into those clothes as of now. I'm working on it, but Delhi abhi dur hai, like काफी दूर. So this is my sister, aka model for the day.
Hello everyone, I'm Poulomi.
Okay, enough of the intro. Now we will head into the actual video and I will show you how to restyle your old clothes to make them look much more fabulous. Stay tuned. Okay, first is this dress. I love the color of this dress, that's why I bought it then, but it's too baggy and I'm much more into bodycon dresses as they define your figure, so I haven't wear them much then. But now if I have to restyle this, I will wear it with a belt definitely. Any belt which is contrasting, so it will give you an illusion of a narrower waist. If you are into heavier side, wear a wider contrasting belt. And this belt thing goes with all kind of baggy dresses, maxi dresses, or even kurtas. You can try them out. Okay, second is this harem pant or the parachute pant, which I bought really a long time ago when this were in fashion. I bought this because I love the pattern which is going all over this and how colorful it is. But the mistake which I used to make then, that I used to wear this with a top which is heavily worked on the above, so this used to look really OTT. So now while restyling, I will suggest you to stick to the basic solid tees. I complete the look with this colorful pom-pom earrings. Here the tee was a bit too loose fitted, which I actually like, but to go with the look of the pants, I have tightened up the bottom up by a simple knot. If you wanna experiment, try it with some graphic tees or that one-liner caption wala tees to give it a more funky and college kind of look. So third is this white kurta, which I absolutely loved and used to wear them a lot once upon a time. But the problem with these white clothes are that it's difficult to maintain now. So now if I have to restyle it, I will definitely go with the palazzos. As I bought this kurta a long time ago when palazzos were not at all in. So yeah. Wear this with contrasting palazzos. Both solid and patterned palazzos will go with it, I believe. What do you say? Which one is better? I like the solid color one more, and to complete the look, wear any red or coral shade lipstick and oxidized chumka or a chandwali with it, and your summer go-to look is ready. Okay, now this gorgeous black skirt. I really love the work that is going all over it, the embroidery. I bought this on the occasion of my chachu ki shadi then, and always have styled it in a traditional manner with a chunri and a choli. But now if I have to restyle it, I will definitely go with a contemporary dressy look. So I will wear it with a white or a denim shirt on the top. And to jazz the look, open up few buttons in the front and pull the sleeves, give it a off-shoulder look. Just a tip, if you're wearing a statement neckpiece with it, avoid wearing a heavy earring. Stick to the studs. And you can also add a mangtika or a headpiece if you are going for any traditional ceremonies. And the last from the list is this shrug, which is my first ever purchase online. I love the material of it and the polka dots. Oh my god. So yeah, while restyling, I will do a really interesting thing with it. I will pair it with a sari. A cotton sari which is solid in color to be specific, as the shrug is already patterned. So wear a nice fitting inner, pin this shrug as a blouse. Additionally, tie your hair into a slick bun and pair it with chumkas or chandwalis and an popping red lipstick. And woohoo! Your Bengali retro look is ready. So this is the video, guys. We had a lot of fun while filming this video. Hope you enjoyed it too. Smash the like button and comment down below which is your favorite look among all this. Okay, bye.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.